Folks, hey, SixFourTrading. We're talking about S&P 500. I've been talking about it with my community where I think that eventually this market is going to correct. That's what I was talking about. I was thinking that this is a trap for longs because we are unable to break above. There's a line here at 696. We did get above it a little bit, but we're not able to break that all-time high barrier. There's a wall sitting here for a reason. We've tried multiple times and been rejected multiple times. That lets me know that the investors, market makers have set a wall, a ceiling right there to say no, okay? So now it's playing out. What happened? We had a sell-off on January 29th, and they pushed it all the way back up, bringing in more longs, wiping out some shorts, taking out stops. The next day, we had to go down again, pulling in more shorts, piling in more longs, pushed it up, piled in more longs here, pushed it up to the same area that's been getting rejected. And now you have this huge red candle on the day, black candle here on my chart. If we close here, that's what we're waiting for. This is live. This is happening right now on February 3rd, 2026. If we close here, I'll be looking for a gap down, a little bit of a gap down tomorrow to confirm if this is going to change directions now, if this is going to go into correction territory. We're not there yet. It needs to close here or close on it or close below the 50. Give me a gap down the next session, maybe push up and then sell off. Give me a nice little wick at the top and close below the 50. Then I would say, okay, now we look like we're on par for a possible correction. I'm looking at 20, 30%. Maybe even 40% because the market is so frothy. Now, what I'm going to show you here, again, is this channel, okay? A lot of people aren't paying attention to what's really going on here. There is a channel this has been in. I'm going to break it down. We got COVID. We have the long rally up, right? COVID hit this top of this, started creating this channel here from here. This is the bear market we had a year. This is when inflation kicked in. Oh, we have an inflation problem. So the market just started selling off. This is a weekly chart. We came down and they said, okay, we're going to stop raising rates, possibly might pause. And that's when the Fed paused rates, started moving up, started cutting rates, started taking off. This never made it to the top of the channel like we are here now, because here is when President Trump created Liberation Day, started doing tariffs, and the market sold off to where? The bottom of this channel line. So we are respecting this uptrend in this channel, but we have to move in it within the tops and the bottoms. We had an aggressive, extremely bullish rally from the bottom of that channel area from that liberation sell-off, and we've been running up ever since. Now we hit the top of that channel. Not today, but we hit the top of that channel back on October 27th for last year. So what I think all of this is trapping longs for exit liquidity. That's my analysis on this. And it's starting to prove to be true because we cannot break above this barrier. They dangled the carrot because they've been circulating, oh, the S&P 500 is going to go to 700, and everybody's been buying into it. And I don't believe that's the case. I believe, based on what it's showing me, especially today, that is making my thesis true where they're trapping longs. And then we're going to start a little bit of probably a major correction here coming soon. All right, folks, watch this space. I am in this short from 700 put strike price. So looking very on leap year put. So we're looking good on that. We'll watch this space. Hey, if you want to talk to me, if you want to trade with us, the link in the description below how you can find us in the Discord. Hey, trade safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye. Hi, folks. Hank from SixFourTrading. If you like this type of content, and if you want to trade with me live in my Discord, there's a link in the description below. I hope you guys trade well, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care.